Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel! Today I'm super excited to do a DIY Play-Doh activity. I'll be making an adorable watermelon clock. This is going to be really fun, so grab your Play-Doh cans if you want to follow along. First we need to fill this ring mold with some Play-Doh. It doesn't need to be a specific color since we'll be completely covering it. I'll roll it out so it's even. And then just pop it out and set it aside. Now let's roll out some dark green Play-Doh for the back of the clock. I'll use the same cookie cutter to cut out a circle. Just place that on like this. Time to work on the front of the clock. I'll roll out some hot pink Play-Doh and cut out a slightly smaller circle. Now roll out some white Play-Doh into a rope and then we can wrap it all around the pink. Cut off any excess you might have. Let's do the same thing with yellow Play-Doh. I'll use my Play-Doh knife to move it onto the clock. For the sides of the clock, I'll roll out 2 shades of green into a thick rope. And then twist it together like this. Then cut it into 3 sections and roll it out into a rope again. Let's cut it once more and twist and roll. Okay, that should be good. Let's use our hands to flatten it out before using the rolling pin. Now just measure out how wide we need the strip to be. Cut out a long rectangle. Then wrap this to cover the rest of the blue. Nice! Let's give the watermelon a face. First I'll roll out some white Play-Doh to cut out 2 circles for the eyes. Now roll out black Play-Doh and cut out 2 smaller circles for the pupils. Let's add some white details. I'll trim off the bottom portion of the eyes. Place that onto the clock face. And I'll add a black nose. Let's make the mouth using black as well. Cut out a circle. And then use the same cutter to cut out a curved section so it looks like the watermelon is smiling. Let's cut out another white circle and trim it into the shape of a tooth. I'll add a little pink tongue. Let's place this on. Now for the numbers of the clock, I'll use black Play-Doh to make little watermelon seeds for each tick mark. Let's place it on. I'll make the hands of the clock yellow. I'll freehand cut 2 diamond shapes. One will be longer than the other. That looks good! For the bells of the clock, I'll cut a dark green circle in half to create 2 half circles. You can use whatever color you want because we'll be covering this. This is the mixed green Play-Doh that I had extra of. Roll that out and then cut out circles. Then use that to cover both of the bells. Add on 2 green dots. For the stick that hits the bell, I'll use a toothpick that'll be covered in light green Play-Doh. I'll add another green dot on top. Place that right in the middle. And put the bells on the side. For the clock stand, I'll add 2 toothpicks. This will secure the dark green circles. And here's my finished clock. What do you guys think? Well, this was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!